Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Ubuntu. Since Fortnite does not have a native Linux version, we need to explore alternative solutions. We will cover two primary approaches: utilizing cloud gaming services for seamless streaming, and attempting to run the game through compatibility layers like Wine and Lutris. Each method has its own advantages and considerations, so let's dive into the details to get you into the Battle Royale action. The most reliable way to play Fortnite on Ubuntu is through cloud gaming services like NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service streams the game from high-performance servers directly to your computer, eliminating the need for local installation or complex setup. You simply launch the GeForce Now application, log in, and link your Epic Games account. A stable internet connection, ideally 25 to 50 megabits per second, ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience, letting you jump into matches without hassle. Another approach involves using compatibility layers like Wine, often managed by tools such as Lutris or Heroic Games Launcher. These applications allow you to install and run the Epic Games Launcher, giving you access to your game library. However, Fortnite's robust anti-cheat system, Easy Anti-Cheat, typically prevents the game from running successfully on Linux through these layers. While Lutris is excellent for many other Windows games, Fortnite specifically presents a significant challenge due to this anti-cheat protection. To optimize your Fortnite experience on Ubuntu, especially with cloud gaming, a strong internet connection is paramount. Aim for a wired Ethernet connection to minimize latency and ensure consistent speeds. For any local gaming, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions. While direct play of Fortnite on Linux via compatibility layers is challenging, these tips will enhance your overall gaming performance for other titles and ensure the best possible streaming quality when using cloud services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.